Alright, welcome to the Dr. UUT lectures. The point of today's discussion is about the elixirs, tincture, percolator, percolation. These 4 points will be cleared in today's discussion. First of all, elixir. What is elixir? It is actually a preparation that contains water and alcohol in it. We have a medicinal product, so in that if we get alcohol and water plus the medicinal product, so remember we call that medicinal product, that particular thing which is supposed to treat us, API. So API, active pharmaceutical ingredient, plus water plus alcohol. These three things if you see in any product, that is called as elixir. Remember, alcohol is having sufficient proportion. If alcohol is increased, then we call that tincture. So a tincture has a little bit more explanation also. So what is tincture now? Very simple. If we take a herb and we extract the medicinal product from that herb using alcohol, that extract will be then called as tincture. Guess what? Well, simple. It's simple. We have a product hereby. This is called as the herbal product. Now we want to extract from this product a medicinal product, active pharmaceutical ingredient. So what will we do? We will pass through it alcohol. Now this alcohol will dissolve that product from this particular herbal substance, so that a medicinal product plus alcohol will then move downward and will be collected hereby. So here we will get a fluid which is containing the active pharmaceutical ingredient which was obtained from this particular herb. So now this we have hereby that particular active pharmaceutical ingredient plus alcohol in a very large amount. So now this kind of combination where alcohol is in large amount or is in excess, we call that as tincture. So it is tincture. If alcohol is a little bit less and water is available also there, so we call that particular preparation as elixir. So now this is a tincture and that is elixir. In the tincture we have excess amount of alcohol. In elixirs we have sufficiently a low amount when we compare these two together. Okay, but both contains alcohol. Okay, both contain alcohol. Elixirs they have water and alcohol, and tinctures they have alcohol and the active pharmaceutical ingredient which is obtained from this particular herb. So tincture is in short a herbal extract having alcohol in it, and elixir is actually the hydroalcoholic preparation. Hydroalcoholic elixirs. Tinctures contain alcohol and active pharmaceutical ingredient, and tinctures are actually prepared by passing the alcohol from the herbs. So then the herbs will leave its content with to the alcohol to interact with alcohol. So the content of the herbs will interact with alcohol, then they will move down and will be collected. At the end we will have a fluid that is called as tincture. Now guess what has happened now? We use this particular machine. This is known as percolator, and the process that is done is actually called as percolation. Percolation is a very simple process when you pass through a porous substance, any substance which is supposed to absorb a solvent. So when you are passing a solvent through a particular porous substance, through that herbal product or anything, so this process of passing through that particular thing, the solvent is called as percolation. Percolation means to pass through any solvent, that is called percolation. Okay, we are passing through any substance, any solvent, that is called percolation. So here we did alcohol. So alcohol was passing through, and we got at the end alcohol plus the components of the this particular herb. So herbal extract plus alcohol is a tincture, and the obtained through the mechanism is called percolation, and this particular setup is called percolator. The setup is percolator, the process is percolation, the extract is tincture, and if alcohol is less and water is there, then that is elixir. That is the point at the end. Very simple. Well, I hope you got. If still you have confusion, you can ask us in the comment box, and thank you for watching.